Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the school dot fight on your phone, no jailbreak, and it works on iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, I got the full game right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So the first step guys is to go onto this site, and we're going to type in school dot fight. So as you can see guys, it says school dot fight right here, and we're going to press on it and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try it out because it's super insane. It fully works. And yeah, that's how you get it. So if you go to the App Store and type in school.fight, you can see it is not here. So let me just show you guys. Type in school dot. As you can see guys, it's not here. So be sure to try it out guys, it's super insane. As you can see, I got the full game right here, so you can actually go ahead and get it and install it right now. So yeah, it's super awesome, it fully works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because it's fully updated and everything. So if you're really poor guys, you can't afford a PC, be sure to try this method out because it's super insane and it's updated and everything. So yeah, it's fully working guys. Look at this, oh my gosh, I'm beating the game guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super crazy as you can see right here. So yeah, it's super awesome. I didn't have to jailbreak my device or anything like that, which is pretty cool. So if you're someone that wants to keep your phone in a good state, I want to let you guys know you don't have to jailbreak for this video, which is pretty cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself guys. It's super awesome as you can see right here, and I'm able to play it on my device. So I'll see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it fully works. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.